everything that we have going on in the city of Phoenix. It's just really become a sports mecca. And I think here at the Footprint Center, we're really lucky to have such a huge variety of events.
It's still amazing to me to see fans entering the building utilizing the Evolv system versus how we used to approach it.
When I came here, that was one of the first things I noted was that metal detectors is a slow process, right? It's very cumbersome. We were dealing with some really long lines outside.
Security and ingress, typically that's a pain point. It can set a negative tone right from the beginning as they're entering the building.
We were fortunate to be able to partner with the folks at Footprint Center. They were able to utilize some of the previous technology they had in the building to accompany our Evolv Express systems here.
I think that the Evolv team has been fully transparent and great at communication throughout the sales process. We were fortunate to have some opportunities to test it over the summer. We were able to have some units on site to test at our preseason game, so that was great learnings for both our team members and our guests to kind of get a feel for it. And then we went live on opening day. To be the first NBA and WNBA venue to launch this was really exciting. Opening day, right before doors opened, we were probably running around a little bit, making sure everything's set up how we want it. And there were certainly some nerves, and then those doors open and people flow through.
It's absolutely incredible. The volume that we could bring through the system, that was really impressive to me.
In the second half of the season, we've really noticed an uptick in guests adopting our express screening lanes.
When individuals, guests come through your system, it is tracking the number of individuals that come through the system, and then also the items that were tagged during the screening process. The teams, the representatives from the teams can log into those portals and get access to all of that information.
We are using the reporting, so we pull that every night and share it with our leadership team to show the progress we've made over the year. Actually, based on those numbers, we closed down another smaller secondary entrance because so many guests were now coming through Evolv at the front of the building. I think Evolv has definitely contributed to increasing our fan experience and our internal team member culture. Now they're able to have interactions. They're able to be a little more mobile if they're outside greeting guests as they approach and working the lines, and focus on the overall arena experience.
I would say right from the beginning, we collectively felt like, yeah, this is what we want to do. This is the experience we want to create. Can't imagine really doing anything else at this point.